Welcome to BotBee. In today's video, we're going to guide you through a powerful integration that connects your IndiaMART leads with WhatsApp and Google Sheets. We'll show you how to automatically send your IndiaMART leads directly to your WhatsApp. This will ensure that your sales team receives real-time notifications and can respond quickly to new inquiries. Let's get started. First, go to BotBee dashboard. We need to create two message templates. One for alert notification to seller, and another one for customer. Go to Bot Manager, and then select Message Templates. Then select Create button. First, creating message template for seller notification. In this message template, we used variables for map the data from IndiaMART. You can create as per your requirements. Message templates got approved. Now create message template for customer notification. Two message templates created and approved successfully. Now go to Google Sheet. Go to Extension, and then select AppScript. Paste the app script that is provided by BotBee. Please contact BotBee support team for script. We need to paste the IndiaMART API key here. Go to IndiaMART Seller Dashboard, and then select Settings. Then select Account Settings. Click CRM API. Copy the code and paste it in AppScript. Now we need to do webhook configuration for sending leads to WhatsApp. Go to BotBee dashboard, and then select Webhook Workflow from left side menu. Create webhook for seller notification. Paste the webhook into AppScript. Create the another webhook for customer notification. Paste the webhook into AppScript. Now create the trigger. As per IndiaMART policy, we need to trigger API every 5 minutes. Select Add Trigger. Select event source as time-driven. Select hour interval every 5 minutes. Create one more trigger for webhook. Now we need to capture the webhook response from Google Sheet. Click Capture Webhook Workflow. Enter sample data in Google Sheet. Yes, we received data from Sheet. Map the data to the required field. In this webhook, we need to send leads to seller. So in number field, we need to enter seller number using static formatter. Map the all other data. Map the next webhook for customer notification. In number field, map the customer number. Go to App Script and delete the onEdit trigger. That's it. This is how you can send the IndiaMART leads to WhatsApp and save the leads in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching the video.